Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Face ID is ready and that Roblox has a valid payment method. This is why purchases prompt smoothly. Go to Settings, confirm Face ID for iTunes and App Store, then open Roblox and log in. Once done, pick the Robux package you want. Tapping Buy initiates the secure payment flow. Make sure Apple Pay or the card on file is active so Face ID can authorize without extra steps. This saves time and prevents failed attempts. You'll now authorize the transaction. When the Face ID sheet appears, glance at the camera and confirm the amount shown. Robux quantities and price must match. Hold the device naturally, about 1 foot away, and avoid sunglasses or heavy masks. This improves recognition speed and accuracy. Once Face ID recognizes you, the purchase completes instantly, and a receipt appears. If Face ID fails, enter your device passcode. That fallback both verifies it's you and completes the Robux purchase without delay. Finish by verifying the Robux hit your account. Open Roblox and check the balance or purchase history. This confirms success. If Robux didn't appear, check Apple ID purchase history and Roblox receipts, then wait a few minutes before retrying. Once done, sign out and back in to refresh the session. If Face ID repeatedly refuses, reset Face ID in settings or try using your passcode. And when persistent issues remain, contact Apple or Roblox support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.